Kamogelo Sekwi joins us now. Kamogelo, what's the latest from your end? I mean, that was a very brief, appearance. What do we know?
That was very brief. We waited the whole day for 2 minutes. What we know is that the case has been postponed to Monday the 17th, and the two accused will be joining the two gentlemen who appeared on Tuesday, the father to Dr. Nandipha Magudumana, Zoli Lesikeleni, as well as Senuhe Matwara. But with the NPA spokesperson, Paladi Shuping, who's going to just take us through the charges that the two people who appeared today are facing. Dr. Shuping, just briefly, we were here for 2 minutes. The charges, what are they?
Well, remember the two that appeared on Tuesday are charges. Some of the charges relating to those who appeared on Tuesday will also apply to the two accused that appeared today, but there's also a charge of a violation of a corpse in relation to accused number 4, because there are allegations that she was found with a corpse at some stage, hence there's an additional charge against accused number 4.
And speaking of the corpse, do we know if it was the same one that was found in Thabo Bester's cell, or is it another corpse that's not related to this matter?
Now, as far as the evidence that was presented before us is concerned, it's a completely different body, because remember, in relation to the body that was found in that cell at Mangang Correctional Center, we are charging them for murder, because what the post-mortem has revealed is that the person died as a result of blunt trauma, which is an unnatural death. So somebody somewhere must have killed that person who ended up in that cell. But the charge relating to violation of the corpse, it's in relation to a completely different body that was found.
Are we expected to see more people being arrested and charged in this matter?
That possibility exists in as far as the investigation is ongoing. We cannot rule it out. But we just have to wait for the investigations to be finalized, and we'll know exactly who's involved and to what extent are those involved.
Thank you so much for your time. As you have it there in studio, we wait for Monday. We don't know whether more people will be arrested in this matter or what is going to happen. All we know is that South Africa is watching this like a hawk. Back to you in studio.
Well, thank you very much, Kamogelo Sekwi, there for us. Well, we are in conversation with the South Africa's Prisons Organization. In fact, let's go to Aphumelele now, who is currently outside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court. Aphumelele Mdlalana joins us now. Aphumelele, you have been stationed outside, of course. You probably were expecting a slightly much longer court appearance. Talk to us about what you're seeing there.
Well, we're just outside the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court as expected. This case has gained traction as I'm with the students from the Central University of Technology who have come to witness this case. And also I can indicate that the visuals that you see, it's where Dr. Nandipha Magudumana is expected to come out from. This is also the entrance that she used when she was coming inside here. But I just want to bring some of the witnesses, of course, who came to witness this. Tell us, how do you feel now? Everyone has been saying they want Nandipha Magudumana inside court. They want to see, proof that she's around South Africa. How do you feel right now?
I'm very shocked about what is happening, because my friend and I, we were standing there by school. We were there in the library, we were actually studying, when we heard the news that Dr. Nandipha Magudumana is around Bloemfontein. So it caught our attention. We could not really resist. So we had to come to court to see this for ourselves. The person who left, I don't know, she left her profession for a jail prisoner. I don't understand, how was that even possible? So I wanted to see this for myself.
And what can you say about justice system of South Africa, the law enforcers in this regard?
I am very, very, very disappointed in the justice system. Even before we came, we made our way to court. We were actually on YouTube, on SABC News, and we saw that another person escaped after Thabo Bester. I'm like, what the hell is happening in South Africa? I am so shocked. I'm very disappointed in the justice system of this country. And I feel like we are not safe anymore. We are really not safe. We are living literally amongst people who have committed serious crimes. So I'm very disappointed. Something must be done about this whole situation.
Well, strong sentiments by one of the students. I just want to bring one more here.
Okay, I'm also disappointed in South African system because it's failing us. How can we trust our system while they are failing us? Because instead of protecting us, they are not protecting us. Instead they are protecting criminals. As you can see today, that the vans are patrolling to protect Dr. Nandipa. Why must she be so protected? Because she must be out there because she's a criminal. She knows what she did. But instead of protecting us, they are protecting Dr. Nandipa. Thank you very much.
But how do you feel now that she's in court? I mean, the law enforcers, the security system is doing what they're supposed to be doing to make them to come and answer.
Oh, I'm happy for what they are doing because that's what, and I so wish you could say that they are. I wish their sentence could be rushed so that they can get what they deserve because it's taking even more longer.
Thank you so much. That's just one of the students. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, I'm not a student, by the way. I'm a revolutionary. What I want to say to that is that the law of our country, it's a high time the government of South Africa takes citizens very serious, and it's high time that the president of this country, please, man, please, many things are happening in this country. Look now, we're here for Nandipa. We have never seen anything about AKA murder, who killed him, but yet there was funds that have been taken out to go and get these hooligans wherever they were. But especially to South Africans, I want to say to you, please, man, when you elect wisely. We're going to 2024 elections. Please, we need quality leaders here in this country. We need people who will serve us with dignity. As we're standing here today, there are lots of things that are happening. You can go wherever where you want to go. Ipupe and Dinawe and Bothaville, our roads are not healthy. Many things are happening. State money has been taken out for people who are insane, who are sick. Thank you so much.
Well, we have heard it all from some residents from the Bloemfontein. We have come to Bloemfontein Magistrates Court to, of course, witness Dr. Nandipa Magudumana arriving and now expected to be taken out of Bloemfontein Magistrate Court. It's back to you.
Thank you so much, Aphumelele Mdlalane, coming to us live there from the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court.